Hello everyone. So today we are going to perform the pre-lab for experiment number 4. First of all, if you go to Moodle in the main EE112 course, under the announcement section, you will go down here in this folder. You will click it and you will download experiment number 4 light emitting diode. Okay, when you will download it, this file will open. Experiment number 4 light emitting diode. What we need is we need a Zener diode, we need a LED and 100 ohm resistor, and then variable DC power supply. So this is the pre-lab. For this you have to make this circuit. You will go to the multisim. First of all, you need a variable DC power source. You will sources, then signal voltage sources, then DC interactive voltage. You will take this. Then what you need a resistor. So this resistor you will need 100 ohms. After that you need a Zener diode. For that you have to click here. So Zener diode. So you will use 2.7 volts. So ZPD. Okay, so you need 2.7. You can write it here also. So this one ZPD 2.7. You will use it here, and then you need a LED. We are going to use green LED. So the rated voltage for green LED is 2.13 volt. So we will use it here. So if you okay, so connect it with the wires. Okay. Now we need to measure the voltage across LED and the Zener diode. Okay. For that we need the voltmeter. So first we will use this one, and then we need this one. Okay. So, and also we need a ground. For that you will go to the power sources. Then from here you will take ground. You will connect it here, and let's connect voltmeter in parallel, and this here. Okay, so then for this we need to select maximum value of the DC voltage as 6 volt, and minimum okay 0 volt, and then increment of 2% is better. So let's make it at 0 and then run. So you see how much is there is at 0. It is sure 0 volt. Let's go to the table here. So the first voltage we will give is 0.6 volt. So let's make an increment 0.6 volt. So you see the voltage drop across LED, and Zener diode is 0.3 volt. You will write it 0.3 here also, 0.3, and okay, so we have to measure the current also. So you have to put current meter in series here. Okay, let's stop it because we need to put a. So let's we can use this meter. Otherwise, you can use this one. It's the same. If you can use this one also. So let's use this vertical one. So now this will give us the current. So you can put it here. How much? This is 0.017 micro. We have to put it in millivolts. So 0.017. So it will be, if we convert it, it will be 0.17 milliampere. Okay, then we will change it to 1.2 volt from here. Yeah, 1.2 volt. And yes, these values we will write it there. 0.958 is for 958, and then 0.278 this across LED, 0.278, and so the current is 0.063. It means 0.000063 milliampere. So then so I will skip this. So because I want to check that when that LED will turn on. So then change it to, let's change it to 3 volt. Okay, around 3.6. Then we have 2.59 and 1.006. 2.59 and 1.006, and then voltage is 6.7 5.073 micro. So we have to convert it in milli, so it will be 0.0005750 yes, milliampere. So then let's move to this 5.7, because you will just increase this and then you will fill this table. Then I will go here. 5.4. So let me, but you have to fill all the table because I am skipping, but you have to fill all of it. 5.4. So now this LED is on, and how much is the voltage? 2.75. So we gave 5.4 volt, 2.75, and here 2.038, and here 6.123. 6.123. Okay, so and we have to fill all this table, and then we have to copy all of these values, and then we have to take it to the Excel. So I have already done it, so you will use it, use all the values here. This is something else, and you will paste them here, and then after that you will go here in the insert, and from here insert, and then you will take this graph. So your graph should look like this. So this is the current, this is the current, and this is the Zener diode voltage, and then this is the voltage across the LED. So what you have to do is you have to fill all of this table, then you have to Here you have to take a screenshot of this circuit, any value of voltage, and then you will put screenshot here, and after that here you will put this graph. Okay, so and then also you have to give the title and x and y axis of the graph also, because on the x-axis we have voltage, source voltage, on y-axis we have three different values. So it's current and the voltages across the Zener diode and LED, and here this is the voltage indicator circuit. Okay, voltage indicator graph. So please, when you come for the next lab, keep these things ready for you, and then in the lab we will perform the same experiment, and directly we will perform the hardware experiment. This table is the same table, and we will fill it with the hardware results, and then we will compare the results, and these questions we will solve in the class. Okay, thank you.